Guys, we're in Walmart and we're doing a baby deal and also the dollar and we're doing the gifts. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said dollar. Oh, what's this? A vanity speaker. Oh, look at that. And they $49.99, $49.88. And then you got this massager. This be here every year, I feel like. Every year they got this massager. Now what's this? This a vibration massager right here. And what do you do with it? Isaiah? No. A foot massager. Okay. That one $19. And this is the Homedics. This the neck massager. I guess all of them 19. And I did have to have this. This is weird. You put your feet in it. Okay. And then look, so $14.88 for the Dove and the Axe sets. We do have coupons for these. The $3 Dove coupon should work on this, making it $10. But what I would do is have coupons with overage to bring it down. So here's the typical socks that we have every Christmas. Aren't those nice? Yay! These is head scratchers. So here's the Axe and the ones for $9.88. Axe, and then you got the Dove set. Now I got a $3 Dove coupon that should work on these. I'm gonna try it. If it worked, I'll let you guys know that it worked. Here's some more gift sets. They $14.88. Bayless and Harley. All of this is Bayless and Harley. Oh, that's pretty. Those. That's cute too. Okay, so let's move. Okay, the clearance out is basically all of the school supplies is being cleared out, which is good. That's what we want to happen. Now, these were actually 10 cents at a Walmart, not by me. I don't know if they still are, so I'm gonna have my son go and check them. Okay, even though they're not good glue sticks, they have to handy to have at the last minute. Okay, so they got the rainbow LA Colors unicorn nail polish with the stuff to go in it, the sequences and all of that. That's nice. $11. Some $4.98. Okay, guys, they were 15 cents, not 10 cents, but still a good deal. So I'm gonna probably grab a couple of packs of these. These is $9.98. You got Adidas, you got Chic. Oh yeah, okay. Alvino body wash gift sets. Now it's a $2 coupon. I wonder what that work on there, on that one. Yeah. The best time to try these deals, guys, is on Black Friday. They don't want to take the time. There's a Nivea kit, Nivea, Alvino. They don't want to take the time to check it, so they just type it in. $29. Oh, look at that. This is the personal chill thing you put makeup in. Here's another one, personal chiller. You put makeup, they $29. That's a good mainstay. They roasters, $24. That's so nice. Somebody done ate them piece of candy. Microwaves are $64. The Instapot went up, guys. It's $79. No, $35 for this Tremata hands cooking set. These are $6.75. Rubbermaid. Here's the mini refrigerator, retro mini refrigerator. My husband want one of these, but I don't think he want this little one. They $24. Yeah. The top freezer, it's a little refrigerator. I don't see a price, so let's scroll. Okay, guys, I ain't see a price on it, so $19 for an easel, wooden tabletop easel. All of this, the art set, and this. Then what are those? Splashing squishies. Taffy. Oh, okay. These are $9 for the ABCBs. Water bottles, you make the stuff up on your own. The slime gloop. Oh, God. Quilt, window art, shell jewelry, nail art. Let's see, did I miss that? Laboratory, stepping stone, unicorn, and a mermaid bag. Okay, movies. Sully was actually good. I saw Atomic Bomb. I liked it that too. Gone with the Wind. Boring. The Pirates. I like Planet 51. Justice League. That's a good video to have. So these is good deals. These are good to build a video library off of. There's the Trolls. And this is about $149. It's a 3-tier TV stand. Perfect. $29 for a Express Compact Power. It's a vacuum cleaner. Okay. They got the PS5 Assassin's Creed, and that is $49.94. Yes, they got married to Lisa Bonet. $44 for a record player. A portable cruiser is portable though. These are $5. They pop sockets. These for your phone. So they got all kinds. Perfect to get for those phones. Good gifts, great stocking stuffer gifts. Oh, so this is like a, so this is a Razer Kishi, and it's for the Xbox. Look at that, $133. But look, my son said basically it's like the Nintendo Switch, but only it has headphones built in. Now that's a good deal. I think that'll be good to have. Do anybody still have DVD players? Because if so, here's one for $24. Like, I just don't use them. Okay, all the printers is on sale, $59, $34. Epson is $59. Okay, this, it was cheap, but the ink was expensive. This is a HP Envy all-in-one printer. It's $89. You're supposed to be able to do sublimation on here, all of that stuff. So if you need to invest, get that. Here's an Epson that does the same thing, $79. It's supposed to do sublimation also. Look at the TVs, $228 for a 43-inch. I will feel cheated buying that after we saw those nice cheap TVs, but I know one person that got a TV. The rest of the people did not get TV. This stuff is $14. You can get wireless headphones, a mouse for your computer, more HDMI cords, universal remote. Okay, this $9.88, and you can get a selfie lamp with a smartphone holder. Okay, guys, now we get into the goodies. You got this lightning USB cable. You got a power up for your phone. Then you could do the personal walkie-talkies. And here is the light wand sanitizer. It's $9.88. I want the one that they sit inside, so this will not work for me. But here it is, guys. If you want to run the wand over your phone and door handles and stuff before you come in, this will be great. This is $14.88, and you got a power bank. What else over here? This $4.88. You got, what's that? A mount anywhere thing. That'll be good. And then this is the electronic wipes with alcohol. And then those are games. This $13 is a portable battery by ONN. Look at that, guys. It's almost gone. So I guess when they had their little Black Friday, pre-Black Friday deals, they got them. Okay, this $9.88, and this is for the Groove mini rugged speaker. What else is here? These is HDMI cords everywhere. And then these are these plugs, ONNs. And here's one like this. And what is this? This is a glitter wireless charger pad. That'll be nice too, a nice gift. Okay, these are $4.88. Guys, did not work good. My kids still couldn't hit nothing on these, so be careful. A suction phone holder, that'll be nice also if you can get it to work. These is $4.88. What are these, flip grips? Oh, okay, so you just put your finger through there instead of holding the whole little thing. That's flexi grip, smartphone grip phones. They got so much stuff for the phones this year, y'all. Just tons of stuff. Look at that. Oh, look at this TV. It is, how many inches? 75 inches. I wonder how big is it? Or how much it is. No price on that 75 inch, yeah. Pajamas is $4.75. These will be the same price on Black Friday. They just having pre-Black Friday deals. So these are all the girls. You got Princess. You got Emoji, Frozen, Trolls. I knew they was going to do the face mask. $5.97. That's going to be big this year. Look at that. All the face masks you want. Oh, look at that. $21. This on clearance. Garanimals organic starter kit. Not bad. 21 bucks. Why is that? Well, I guess because it was 29 at first. So here's another little set. This is newborn. It's $3.98. So before I get Pampers or anything, I might just grab her an outfit. Okay, guys. So I grabbed this. This little set is 3 to 6 months, and then I grabbed the pants that went with it 3 to 6 months, and they are $3.98 a piece. Okay, so this where we was at. I told you the diapers are $4.97 all the time. The lows are. In your December P&G, we have a $1.50 off coupon, making these $3.47, which is a fantastic deal. So we're gonna grab 1 pack of those also. Now, the last time I did this, you either use overage that you have, which could be the Docolex coupons, or you could use the ones for the Rolaids. And also, it's one for the Olay, but I have to find it. I cannot find it as of yet, guys. So let's go and let's check out. So guys, this is what we're gonna do. We have these right here, and this the product right here is $4.74. We got $2 off of these. So this is the coupon. I'm gonna buy 3 of those. Now I am actually going to put back the clothes because I want to make sure that I kind of stay in my range. Okay, I'm going to put the clothes back. So I grabbed 3 of these at $4.74 each. Each coupon is for $2. I grabbed 1 pack of these, which are at $4.97. They take $1.50 off. These are from the P&G. Oh my God, I believe this is from the Retail Me Not. Don't quote me on this because I don't remember, but it's the new one that came out. Okay, so we're going to grab these. Now, I'm also going to do some of these. Okay, and these are $1.97. Okay, just grab those if you want to get overage for $1. Okay. Okay, guys, we are back from Walmart. Fantastic haul. Fantastic haul. Guys, out of pocket, $3.27. Okay, guys, so go to Walmart, use your overage on whatever you want to use it on. I'm going to use the rest of my overage on probably some of those gift sets for nephews and nieces and stuff. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all like this baby deal. Come on, guys, subscribe and shop with Ivy. Bye.